What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button because things are about to get wild around here. So as you guys know, I've been working for a large property development company as a fleet mechanic, mostly diesel, some gas stuff. You see the videos previously. You know, we had that 2.7 EcoBoost F-150 that we did the head gaskets on. Previous to that, transmissions, multiple big jobs, and it's finally just come time that me and that company are parting ways. So basically, right now, I'm just waiting to go pick up all my tools from them, which should be happening within the next week. I'll be able to go get all my tools from the shop. We're going to bring them here to the 2-car garage at home, and it's going to be full-time side work like I was doing when I was working and doing the side work a couple months ago. When I was doing that, it was just a little too much for me. You know, I was trying to go to the gym. I was trying to be a good boyfriend and a good stepfather to my girlfriend's son. I was trying to do side work. I was trying to go to work, and it was just too much. I mean, my work days from the time I get up till the time I get home is 12 hours, and then doing everything else on the side, plus trying to build a 700 horsepower F-150 EcoBoost. It just wasn't working out for me. So, you know, right now, things are going to start to shift. We're going to go on a new journey, and basically I'm going to do something that I've wanted to do for a very long time, and that is I'm going to go into business for myself. I've done this before, not fully, but I've done this before for a while, and I've been able to maintain a great customer base with multiple references that have nothing but good things to say. So as of right now, like I said, I'm going to get my tools here. Today we're just going to basically be cleaning up the garage and working on the truck a little bit since I have some free time. We'll probably wash the side-by-side, but we're going to be cleaning up the garage, getting the welding station, the fabrication station, getting everything squared away because I kind of have let things go since, you know, all my main tools aren't here. But now that I'll be bringing my double bank box here, we're going to make some room for that, and we're going to just try and set it up to be as efficient as possible. And I already reached out to around 20 people, and we got about 3 jobs lined up so far. So later today we'll actually be meeting up with Mario. He's a cool character. I'll try and get some clips of him. He's going to be dropping off a camper, and he wants us to do some wiring on it. So he's a cool dude. I've sold him a few trailers in the past, and I've done some work for a few of his family members. And he knows what kind of guy I am. He knows what kind of mechanic I am. But as of right now, I'm self-employed. So it's really going to help if you guys click that subscribe button and watch my other videos, because that's going to help the channel grow, which in turn is going to make better content. The more, you know, the more subscribers, the more viewers, the more it pushes me to make content, and we have a lot of things that we could make content out of in this garage. I have a pretty nice setup. It's a 2-car, roughly square footage wise, I couldn't tell you, but it's a 2-car, and it's pretty wide, pretty pushed back, and the idea is we're gonna get a lift in here soon too. So yeah, basically let's get started. I don't even know where to start, man. There's so much. I kind of want to work on the F-150 a little bit just to get some of these parts. I got a bunch of parts laying around that can go on it, and the truck's basically there. You know, if I got enough work done on it today, we could fire up the truck. It still needs the tune, but we could fire up the truck. So I think I'm gonna get started on that. And we'll go from there. But there's a quick update for you guys. Like I said, nothing bad about the company. They were an amazing company. Actually the best job I've ever worked for. Amazing company. We're not going to sit here and mention names, but great company, great staff, great boss. It wasn't working out. That's really all I can say, you know. I'm not here to badmouth anybody, but it is what it is now, and now I need to take my career and my dreams to the next level, and that's always been, I can never see myself working for somebody else for 10, 12 hours a day and then coming home, eating, going to sleep, maybe spending some time with the family. I'm the type of person that I want to work 12 to 15 hours a day on myself, building a name for my family, and you know, I'm the main caretaker of my family right now. I'm the only male, and we don't have any type of businesses in the family, any type of generational wealth or anything like that, so it'd be nice. So a lot's riding on this, and we'll see if I crash and burn, or we'll see what I can do. But one thing I do know is I perform well under pressure. So let's bring the heat.